Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the chapter number 9 Festivals we celebrate on page number 47 for grade 2. Students, festivals are special days. We celebrate them with our families, friends, neighbors, and relatives. We greet each other and exchange gifts on most festivals. India is a country of festivals. We celebrate many national and religious festivals here. We also celebrate some harvest festivals. National festivals. All Indians celebrate national festivals. We have three national festivals, that is Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. We celebrate this day as our Independence Day. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. We host it schools, colleges, offices, and our neighborhood. We also sing the national anthem. Republic Day. India became a republic on 26 January 1950. Every year there is a huge colorful parade in New Delhi at Rajghat to celebrate it. Now next is Gandhi Jayanti. October 2nd is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate it as Gandhi Jayanti. We call him the father of nation. And some religious festivals. People follow different religions all over the country. The festivals they celebrate are called religious festivals. Dashera. We also call Dashera as Vijayadashmi, which means the victory of good over evil. It is celebrated as the victory of Rama over Ravan. We burn the effigies models of Raman, Meghnad, and Kumbhakarna on Dashera. In some parts of our country, Durga Puja is celebrated during Dashera. People pray to goddess Durga. On the 10th day, they immerse her idols in the river. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after living in a forest for 14 years on this day. People decorated their houses with candles and diyas on Diwali. They also wear new clothes and exchange sweets. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Lord Jesus was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to the church to pray and sing Christmas carols. They also decorated Christmas tree. Children wait for Santa Claus to receive gifts. Guru Purab. On Guru Purab, Sikh remember of their 10 gurus. For example, we celebrate Guru Nanak birthday as Guru Nanak Jayanti. Verses from the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, are recited. People eat langar from a common kitchen. Langar is a free meal served in a gurdwara. Eid ul-Fitr. Ramzan is the holy month in which Muslims fast. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated after Ramzan. On this day, Muslim embraces and wishes each other Eid Mubarak. They offer namaz in mosque and eat a sweet dish called sevaiyan. Now, harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to cut. We call them by different names in different parts of the country. Like Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the festival of Sikh. It is also the beginning of Sikh New Year. People of Punjab celebrate Baisakhi with a lot of devotion. They bath in a holy river, sing traditional songs, and dance the Bhangra and Gidda. Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. People make and eat special dishes called pitha, sweet made of rice flour, larus, sweet made of rice and coconut, and jolpan, snacks. Women wear colorful saris, sing folk songs, and dance. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. People thank the sun god, rain, and farm animals that have helped in the harvest. They decorated their houses with kolam, rangoli made of rice powder. They cook rice with gur, jaggery, and milk and offer it to the sun god. Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is the rice harvest festival. It lasts for 10 days. People decorate elephants and hold snake boat races, play games, and pray to King Mahabali. They wear new clothes and make rangoli of flowers.